Hello everyone. We are presenting a report on Roj. In my team, we are 4 members. Waliben Khunti is our leader, Ali Jafar, Abdullah, and lastly Krishna. Introduction of Transforming Healthcare. The rise of AI in the UK 2020 to 2024, and also brief of AI's potential in healthcare and highlight challenges in finding UK specific data. In that, we will going to see that imagine a healthcare system empowered by artificial agencies where diagnosis is faster, medication management is personalized, and treatments are more effective. This is the promise of AI in healthcare, and the UK is actively exploring its potential. While data limitation exists, we can delve into ongoing initiatives and plot projects to understand the landscape. Talking about the UK landscape, NHS transformation, ethical consideration, and also the digital health news, in which they are mentioned like the NHS transformation directory leads the charge with various AI projects. The institution guides ethical consideration, as known as the digital health news, keeps us informed on adoption the new trends. Let's see the examples of impact. There are few apps like NHS AI Lab, NHS XAI Roadmap, and also there are few specific projects like Baby Luno's virtual assistant, Deep Mind's Stream app, and also the media platform. The AI Lab support diverse projects. The NHS AI Roadmap outlines and ambitions like initiatives, Baby Luno's chatbot, DeepMind's Stream app, and also the media platform, which will showcase the possibilities of the research. Talking about the visualization options, in which data visualization can illuminate the impact. Consider a timeline infographic, a use case metric, or comparative charts. Word cloud and interactive maps offers alternative perspectives. Remember, data limitation exists, but these tools can provide valuable insights too. When we see two challenges and considerations, challenges remain data privacy and algorithm bias, but require careful attention too. Algorithm requires careful attention. Also, human expertise must remain in control. Addressing these concerns is crucial for responsible AI development. The future of AI in the UK health is bright.
Now we will discuss the ethical concerns surrounding patient data privacy, security, and potential biases in AI algorithms. The most recurring issue is obviously data privacy. While using AI to improve healthcare, AI in healthcare can be used to improve patient care, for example, draft ICU care schedules or personalized medication for patients. There are several legislative frameworks on how data is protected and handled, and the UK government is much more stricter than, for example, USA. Patient consent is required before sharing of any data with third parties. It is very important to develop trustworthy AI where patients are assured their data is not being misused. A study concluded on patients of meningioma and their caregivers concluded skepticism on the use of AI, and many felt that the loss of their privacy was unacceptable and such an important decision should not be carried out by a computer. Another ethical concern is the preservation of human anatomy when AI is applied to healthcare. there is a potential of misleading due to insufficient or limited epidemiological data that may not represent population characteristics in specific settings. The data collected in the past may not match the wishes, needs, and preferences of individual patients, for example, migrants, people of color, or with different races or with different ethnicities. Another concern that frequently comes up is the principle of fairness while using AI. Studies have suggested that AI algorithms can result in unintentional discrimination, lack of diversity inclusion, and unjust provisional care. These biases occur because most data that is fed to the AI is conducted in developed countries where certain races and ethnic backgrounds are a minority. A study testing AI models to predict the rate of mortality in an ICU concluded that there were significant differences when gender, type of insurance policy, or race were introduced into the model. Now we will analyze existing regulatory frameworks and guidances for AI in healthcare. The incorporation of AI in healthcare is increasingly being regulated, and for example, the World Health Organization has set out key regulations and considerations while incorporating and using AI. They have emphasized on thoroughly validating data before official releases to ensure there are no biases or inaccuracies. Other existing frameworks include the NICE Evidence Standards Framework for digital health technologies that can be important in assessing the effectiveness and value for money for using AI in the healthcare system here in the UK. A collaboration, the MAAS, between three authorities, the NICE, National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, the MHRA, and the HRA and CQC, helps developers and active users of AI to ensure that products are meeting active guidelines and regulatory requirements. However, it is important to note that regulatory approval of a medical device does not mean it is necessarily effective, safe, and clinically tested, so users must investigate carefully. The digital technology assessment criteria implemented by the NHS has set out some minimum baseline criteria. This promotes innovation and developers can assess whether their products are fit for entry into healthcare. The NHS claim their criteria are flexible, which is a good thing because industry standards change and their criteria changes with it. Now let's consider the potential societal and public perception of AI in healthcare decision making. Artificial intelligence promises to change healthcare forever, but the adoption of AI has been nothing short of controversial. As previously discussed, the public is untrusting towards AI, with many research studies concluding that a considerable number of patients think that such important decisions should not be carried out by computers. A qualitative study considers the perspective of NHS healthcare staff, which concluded contradicting views towards AI. Most of them agreed that AI could potentially help healthcare, but 10% of them were worried that they might lose their jobs because of AI implementation. Now let's take a short glance at some of the questions NHS healthcare staff were asked and their responses as part of a qualitative study. This figure here depicts the results of a survey of respondents asked about the use of AI in healthcare. The respondents strongly agreed that AI needs to be controlled, and thus the statement that the final decision should always be in the hands of physicians and not the computer received the highest degree of agreement. There is some level of agreement that AI does bring advantages for patients, but safety concerns over data privacy and cyber attacks overshadow the benefits of AI.
we will be talking about strategic opportunities for Roche, leveraging AI through patient data. First thing is personalized medicine and treatment optimization. The opportunities are AI-powered diagnostics and prognostics, develop algorithms for early disease detection, risk satisfaction and personalized treatment plans based on individual patient data, for example, genomics, lifestyle, and etc. Other thing is predictive modeling of treatment response, tailor medications and dosages based on individual patient characteristics to optimize efficiency and minimize side effects. The potential impact is 20% reduction in misdiagnosis, as per Gulshan in 2020 reported that deep learning models achieved 95% accuracy in skin cancer diagnosis compared to 83% by dermatologists. Also, 15% improvement in treatment efficiency, as per U in 2019 found out that AI-based decision support systems improved cancer treatment outcomes by 12%. As for the drug development and clinical trial processes, the opportunities are virtual patient simulations, develop AI-powered models to mimic patient population for drug testing and trial design, reducing costs and accelerating development timelines, as well as AI-driven patient recruitment and selection, analyze patient data to identify ideal candidates for clinical trials, and improving enrollment rates and trial quality. Also, real-time analysis of clinical trial data, utilize AI to monitor trial progress, identify adverse events early, and optimize treatment protocols. The potential impact is 20% reduction in development costs, as per Deloitte in 2020 estimates
these are our references
that AI could
for the
reduce
project.
drug development costs
Thank
by
you everyone
up to
for
20%.
listening. We really appreciate
Also,
it. And if you have
15%
any
faster
questions, we would
development
be really
timeline,
happy to answer them.
as per Parikh in
Thank you.
2020 showed that AI-powered virtual trials can reduce development times by 12%. 10% improvement in data quality. The IQVIA Institute in 2020 reported that AI can improve data quality by clinical trials by 10%. You can see the estimated market size. The other thing is enhancing patient engagement and experience. The opportunities are AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide patients with personalized support, answer questions, and manage appointments, improving accessibility and self-service adoption. Also, remote patient monitoring and support leverage AI to monitor patients remotely, detect health issues early, and provide timely intervention, improving patients' outcome and reducing hospitals' readmissions. The potential impacts are 20% increase in patient self-service adoption. Essential in 2019 found out that 72% of patients are willing to use chatbots for healthcare interactions. Also, 15% reduction in call center inquiries, as per IBM in 2020 reported that AI-powered virtual assistants can deflect up to 20% of call inquiries. Another thing is 10% improvement in medicine adherence, as per Khosla in 2019 showed that AI-based intervention. Finally, strategic opportunities, data for Roche's marketing and brand positioning in the UK. First thing is leveraging patient data to personalize marketing messages. Roche can use patient data to segment its audience and target its marketing messages more effectively. For example, Roche could use data to identify patients who are at high risk of developing a certain disease and then target them with educational materials about the disease and its treatment options. Second thing is use social media data to understand customer sentiments. Roche can use social media data to track when people are saying about its brand and its product. This information could be used to identify areas where Roche can improve its marketing and branding efforts. The third thing is use website data to track customer behavior. Roche can use website data to track the customer's behavior interacting with its website. With this information, it can be used to improve the website's usability and to identify marketing opportunities. The fourth thing is use data to measure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. Roche can use data to track the effectiveness of its marketing campaign, and with this information, it can be used to improve the performance of future campaigns. Fifth and finally, partner with other healthcare companies to share data. Roche can partner with other healthcare companies to share data